Android app development trends to watch out in 2021. There is no doubt that Android is the most demanding mobile OS that has 85% of the market share with more than 3.04 million applications in Google Play Store, ranging from daily tools like calendars, web browsers, social media applications, or complex games, ending with enterprise mobile apps. When it comes to building a mobile app, the Android operating system gets all the attention. Android apps are user-friendly and will lead the app industry in the forthcoming years. With the growing popularity and delivery of products and services, the Android app development solution is evolving with the most recent trends and technologies. Before hiring an expert app development company for creating an Android app, you should get a better understanding of the most recent Android app development trends. So, let's delve into the latest Android app development trends that will transform business models in 2021. 1. Android Instant Apps. Instant apps are not uncommon in Android app development, however, they are still becoming popular. Android Instant apps generally permit users for trying games or applications without installing them on your device. They prevent users from downloading the app and help them utilize the web fast and directly without installing them. This technology helps e-commerce businesses and games. Instant apps don't take extra space on smart devices and reduce unnecessary system interruption. Their significant advantages are having complete access to Android applications without downloading them, amazing UI/UX design, more storage space, and compatibility across all Android gadgets. 2. Blockchain technology. The blockchain technology provides decentralized app development solutions that boost transparency and eliminates unauthorized access and intermediates utilizing strong security protocols. This is a perfect Android app development option, particularly for the financial segments like banks, currency exchanges, and more. A survey by PwC shows that 84% of global companies are actively engaged in blockchain technologies. The prime advantages provided by blockchain technology incorporate: it reduces data loss, deploys data for better performance if there is a network failure. Blockchain Android apps are more secure and safer for data encryption. 3. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, AI. Since cloud computing has brought a massive amount of computing strength for each organization, creating AI models that augment regular procedures or perform tasks, which were unthinkable before, became easier. As per Accenture, now modern AI accessible can enhance productivity by up to 40%. The versatility of solutions is both the strength and weakness of AI development. You can apply them for automating different tasks, incorporating image identification, natural language processing, or data analytics. Furthermore, just the training procedure is computing heavy. The present trained neural network can be introduced and efficiently utilized on smart devices, without consuming the processor. 4. Multi-platform development, Flutter. Flutter is a new technology from Google and the future of Android app development also. This framework allows app development using a native interface for platforms like iOS and Android. Many developers select this platform as a tool for building mobile apps because of its communicability and flexibility. Some key reasons to choose Flutter include: native design, easy to learn feature, MVP development. Since software developers combine Flutter actively into their app development process, this makes the technology one of the most recent trends in Android app development. Applications like Reflectly, Alibaba, and Google Ads are developed with Flutter. Each of them has an amazing interface and a perfect set of features. 5. Chatbots/Google Assistant. More entrepreneurs or business owners will find an interest in combining the services and content of their applications with the Google Assistant in 2021. The prime benefit of using this integration is that you can offer quicker ways for users to use your app straight in the Assistant. With App Actions, you can deep link to particular functions within your mobile app from the Google Assistant. Android Slices, another feature, enables developers to showcase the most crucial content from your applications to the users of the Assistant. Since the number of Google Assistant users is increasing, mobile app integration with this famous virtual assistant will become the major target among several development teams. 6. APM and M. Application Performance Management, APM, and Enterprise Mobile Management, M, are two elements of enterprise mobile app development. These technologies are utilized for reducing a mobile app's slowness. With the rise of mobile app development, it has become an assurance tester of quality for mobile apps. It not just helps with the security and safety of apps but also allows employees a productive data exchange over mobile devices. 7. Beacon Technology. Now businesses use beacon technology a lot as it helps them target promising clients uniquely. Beacons are transmitting gadgets that can connect with mobile gadgets accessible in their range. They help businesses send notifications regarding nearby hotels, special offers, and more to those gadgets. Due to this, the integration of this technology into Android apps is becoming extremely popular. For businesses like shops and restaurants, this integration can be highly useful. The use of iBeacon and other similar gadgets for marketing is predicted to develop rapidly. (8) 5G technology. In comparison with 4G networks, 5G technology is quicker, which is unthinkable. With the high radio frequency and the speed of 100 Gbps, 5G technology reaches the superiority of data transmission using 1.4 billion mobile gadgets worldwide. You can create a feature-rich app applying 5G to improve business performance. 9. Internet of Things, IoT. Smartphones are becoming the core point of our regular life as they store data about emails, meetings, contacts, and more. With the advent of apps, smartphones have also become the prime center of smart gadgets like sports bands, smartwatches, smart TVs, and other wearables. However, this is not the end. With reduced prices, smart gadgets are becoming cost-effective for households. It is expected that there will be 75.44 billion connected gadgets globally by 2025, and cost-effectiveness is one of the drivers of this Android app development trend.